Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today I'm going to show you how I make my pie crust. So I have 2 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of ice cold water. I may not use the whole half a cup, but I have the half a cup. I'll drop the water in by tablespoonfuls. And you'll need 2 sticks of ice cold butter. I'll dice that up. So in my bowl, I'm going to place my 2½ cups of flour. To this, I'll cut up my butter. So I have my 2 sticks of butter. Before I cut up my butter, I'm going to add in the half a teaspoon of salt into my flour. I'll be using the pastry cutter to cut the butter into my flour. So I'll just drop the butter into my flour. You want to try to work as quickly as you can. Now I'll cut up the second stick. Now I'll take my pastry cutter and cut the butter into my flour. Once I have most of the butter cut into the flour, that's when I'll start adding in the water, and I'll add it in at 1 tablespoon at a time, because I may not need the whole half a cup. This is a nice flaky pie crust. You can see how the butter is cut into the flour. So now I'm going to be adding in some water. I'll take 1 tablespoon at a time. Kind of mix it around. So that's 2. That's a total of 5 tablespoons of water so far. What I'm doing is just pinching the butter and the flour together into the water. Now I'll add in some more water. That was 3 tablespoons, so now this is a total of 8 tablespoons of water. You can see how the dough's all coming together. I need a little bit more water. That was the whole half a cup, so I did use the whole half a cup of water. I wasn't sure if I would need it all. You want to roll this mixture into a ball. You see how nice that formed? So now I'm going to get some plastic wrap. So now I'm going to take my dough. I have some plastic wrap. I'll place it in my plastic wrap. And you want to place it in your fridge for about an hour. So into the fridge it goes. My pie crust has been in the fridge for an hour. So now what I'm going to do is unwrap it, roll it out, and you can either use it for a pie or for apple squares or for whatever you need a crust for. So this is a simple and easy way to make homemade crust. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Enjoy.